Hey, Profit Cleaners, Brandon Shane here. Just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. I'm out here celebrating with my family. We're out in the forest cutting down a Christmas tree. One of our traditions we've done for many years. And traditions are awesome and they're so important. And I want to just say thank you guys for being part of the community for so many years. One of the traditions we've had with Profit Cleaners over the last 5 years, doing our coaching, helping people grow their cleaning businesses, has been to, just every Black Friday let a bunch more people into the community, and we usually do some type of special offer. And so that's what we're doing again this year. We've got a Black Friday offer that's going through Cyber Monday. It's actually kind of bittersweet, guys, because it's the last time we're ever going to be offering the course and the coaching to the public again, because everything's changing in January in our business model, and we won't legally be able to share this information with you anymore. So if you've ever been on the fence about joining the community, wanted to be part of what we're building here at Profit Cleaners, now's your chance, right, guys? So this is the final kind of bittersweet farewell of the tradition that we've been offering. We're still going to keep the podcast going, but we won't be offering coaching and everything like we have in the past. So if you guys are serious about joining, you've been on the fence, you want to grow your businesses and be well positioned for 2026, jump in. This is an amazing opportunity. Not only are we offering the course, we're offering our AI coach that we've built that has years and years of training. It's like having us in your pocket, a 24/7 cleaning business coach. So check that out. And then we've also got a series of apps and different tools that we're building coming out here that you guys will be part of and have kind of founders access to over the year, and won't have to. You get all the premiums and the upgrades and those tools to help you guys grow your businesses as well. And I think most importantly, you'll kind of lock in your spot to the community and be part of that with us, which community is the future, guys. I mean, with everything getting more automated and AI and technology, community is where it's at. And this is where you guys can surround yourself with other people doing it. You are the sum or the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with. So surround yourself with people winning, people making massive strides in their business that can encourage you, that can build you up, and you can help model that success into your business. And that's what I've always done as an entrepreneur. The fastest way to success is get as close as you possibly can to your mentors and surround yourself with a community and a mastermind that elevates your thoughts and your thinking and just your actions and everything that help you take massive action to get to your goals. So again, if you guys are serious about growing your cleaning business in 2026, jump on with us. You've got an amazing offer for you guys. This is the best offer we ever put together, and it's the final one. So that's why it's so good. And it's kind of bittersweet, like I said, but we'll still do the podcast, guys. We're still going to be growing our cleaning business, but it'll just be looking much different. So again, if you've ever wanted to join and be part of this, now's the time. Jump in. And this is kind of the final hurrah. And you may have heard Brandon and I talking about it on the podcast, but this is your opportunity, guys. So jump into the mastermind, the coaching, the community. You'll still get lifetime access to that. And we're going to continue doing those coaching calls every week in the future. But this is the last time we're making it available to the public. So jump in, guys. Happy 2025. Happy Thanksgiving. And really going into 2026, I think this is going to be an amazing way to position yourself for success going into the new year. So take advantage of it, guys. Money likes speed, and invest in yourself. It's the best opportunity you could ever possibly do. And then you can pour that knowledge and that experience and all that success you're modeling into your business and compress time, right? That's the fastest way to save time and compress time, is to model success. And success leaves clues and footprints. Just follow in those footprints, right? If you want to know what the journey looks like ahead, talk to the people coming back. So that's what it's all about, guys. It's been an amazing 5 years growing with you guys, working with you guys in the mastermind. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys all come into the community. Anybody that's been on the fence, this is your opportunity. So we'll see you guys on the inside. Be great and keep it clean.